Hi there, it's Nathan Korownyk from Sunrise Home Buyers, and we are here with Catherine from Rapid Roofing, and they are one of our trusted contractors. And we're going to talk a bit about the job they did here last year, replacing some cedar shakes with
Architectural shingles.
architecture shingles. There you go. So there's the expert.
So architectural shingles give you a good life on the roof. So in the past, they used to be about 25 years. Now they're about 40 years or so. So that's not exact, but that's roughly where it's at. But architectural shingles cost half the prices of the cedar shakes do to replace it. So if you have a cedar shake and if your neighborhood allows you to put architectural shingles, we highly recommend it because it's half the price and it lasts about the same length of time. So these clients here, they chose black. So they chose onyx black, and I think it looks awesome. Don't you agree? The black makes it shine. We've had a couple other clients in St. Albert that chose the black as well. We don't push black. It just was a fan favorite in this case. And in these clients' case, they had a lot of cuts to the roof and a lot of details, so we're able to take care of the most toughest of roofs as well. So whether it's a 4-pitch or an 8-pitch or a 12-pitch, we're able to take care of those slopes on your roof. Even we have a flat roof department as well, that if you have part of your roof is shingles and part of the roof is flat, we can take care of that repair for you.
Actually, now is there? You mentioned on this job that there were skylights, and I know having some roofs done too, chimneys can cause issues. Can you tell us a bit about what you do for those types of?
Yeah, I'm so proud of Alan and Scott. They're experts at doing the skylights, and I know because I've had clients call me. Not they weren't clients yet. Homeowners who had their skylights leaking, and we went and fixed it, and I sent our 2 professionals to go and do that for them, and we could replace the entire thing, or we could seal it up, depending on how bad it is. And either way, we could do a really good job. And yeah, because I've never had a call back on all of the skylights that we've replaced or repaired, so I know we do a really, really good job of it, so I can trust them very much.
All right. Well, if you need your roof done, Rapid Roofing is the company you want to reach out to. Again, it's Nathan from Sunrise Home Buyers, talking about one of our trusted partners. Have yourself a wonderful day.
Perfect. See you soon.